Welcome back, guys. I'm sure everybody else, same as me, it's been difficult the last kind of 18 months to get out with the cameras and go away and photograph things. Um, and I've been busy with work during that period, especially. So it's nice for me to get the chance to get back out with the camera, etc. I'm actually here today at Rye Nature Reserve, which is only supposed to be about an hour and a half away from where I am, along the south coast of England. But there's major roadworks on the A27, so it's taking me like 3.25 hours instead of the hour and 40 I was expecting, but it's still better than being sat indoors. So, main reason why I'm here, I've not been here before. I picked it up on my radar a couple of weeks ago. I just got back from 2 weeks in Scotland with the wife, doing some of the northwest coast, um, then the north, and then some of the east coast, and down at the Kielder Forest, etc. I got back, had about a week of mucking around, tinkering about with a few bits with the camper that I was trying to do, and then I headed off to Pembrokeshire, west coast of Wales, for some wildlife photography. But Numpty here forgot his wildlife photography lens, left it on the shelf in the lounge. So my 6 hour drive there turned out to be 7.5 hours of drive. Then when I realised I didn't have my lens, I thought I would just stay the night parked up somewhere. Turns out that in Wales at the moment, especially along that coastline, they are stamping on it. You're not allowed to stay wild camping. So the 3 or 4 sites that I kind of know in that area, I tried them, and they were all fully booked. And I got to the stage where I started figuring like if you keep pissing against the wind, you're eventually going to get wet. So I just turned around and headed home and got back about midnight. So then that left me to start looking through what I could do on maybe some day trips, or maybe spend the day here, maybe spend the night around here somewhere. Maybe there's a site locally that I can stay at. Doesn't need to be anything special. Bare bones is fine. I'm fully self-sufficient in the van, so that won't be a problem. And then I can spend a bit more time, maybe tomorrow, heading back along the coast. Maybe go via Hastings, maybe Beachy Head. Um, we'll see. But it is my lunchtime, so I'm going to do myself a quick pot noodle and a drink before I head off to the nature reserve, and we'll see what we can find. Rye Harbour Discovery Centre. But if you look on Google Earth, you'll see all the plans of it, and how it's been half built. Then, obviously, since Google Earth has updated, it's now open, and excited to see what they've got in there. I think we'll start by going up. Have a look. Right, let's have a quick look. Put my mask on. Okay, well, shows you on the map here where we are. So I think I'm gonna have a wander around. I think I'll do the circle route, and then I really want to head up for the long pit. But we'll have a wander around, see how far we get, and see what we get to find. Again, I think that would make an interesting subject to photograph in the low light side lit, which it will be in about another 6 hours. Yeah, nice little hut. These are interesting, the old Second World War pillboxes. These have got the triangle plates on them, the benches, which they have. They used to have, I think they were called Vickers guns. I think they're called Vickers guns. I'll put it underneath here. That positioned on each of these tables. I think they had a range of about 3 miles. I can't remember what size caliber bullets they used, but yeah, quite a scary, horrible thought, really. I don't know whether these were actually used in anger during the Second World War. Should know. Kind of my local area, but I will be finding out. Okay, let's move on. But the other side of the harbour entrance is the quite well known and quite famous Canberra Sands. There's a fair few people on there today. God, I bet it's busy during the summer holidays. But it's bizarre that literally one side of the harbour inlet is all these lovely sands and beach and people and swing 180, and it's like an untouched nature reserve, which is lovely to see. Right now I've got to make a decision to go down to the beach. Yeah, I'm not going to see like orcas and dolphins and porpoises today, not here, so I think I shall wander up the nature reserve, I think. Right, let's head back that way. Well, I think this one's called Denny Hide, and this is actually got the sun behind me, so anything that I see, doesn't that look like a skewer flying past? Yeah, the lighting should be better for me at least. I mean, side lighting would be nice, but front lighting will be fine. Okay, it's going to go quiet. Come back to enter, and there could be people in here, but I'll set up and hopefully get some video footage.